AI doesn't rest. Even on the public holiday like Easter in most parts of the world, most of the companies are releasing models. X.AI has just released the next version of their celebrated Grok model. Grok 1.5 is the latest and greatest model from X.AI, formerly Twitter, from Elon Musk, which is capable of long context understanding and advanced reasoning. Grok 1.5 will be available to their early testers and existing Grok users on the X platform in the coming days. It's not released yet, and weights are also not available. I already have searched Hugging Face and few other places. It's still not there, but they have announced it. They have they will be releasing the model weights and network architecture of Grok um, 1.5 very soon. They already have released the model weights and network architecture of Grok 1 couple of weeks ago, and the architecture and the data is similar to what we have seen before, and I have done few videos around it. From that data, you get a glimpse into the progress XAI has made up until last month. Now they have been improving reasoning and problem solving capabilities in their latest model, Grok 1.5 and beyond. If you look at this benchmark for Grok 1.5, you'll be surprised to see the performance on all of these benchmarks, which include MMLU, Math, GSM 8K, and Human Eval. MMLU is multimodal language understanding, and it evaluates models' comprehension of language across various modalities such as text, images, and audio. So if you look at MMLU score of Grok 1.5, it has beaten its predecessor Grok 1 by a wide margin. It is also it has also surpassed Mistral Large, Claude 2, Claude 3 Sonnet, and just behind Gemini Pro 1.5, and also just behind GPT-4. GPT-4 is the best one, it seems, at the moment, or maybe Claude 3 Opus is also the best one in MMLU task. Now, if you look at the math benchmark, which is for mathematical reasoning, and it tests model ability to solve mathematical problems and reason about mathematical concept. On this one, Grok 1.5 has beaten its Grok 1, the younger brother, by a huge margin. And then also Claude 3 Sonnet is nowhere to be seen, and Gemini Pro 1.5 is better, but GPT-4 is just above by a very little margin. Claude 3 Opus is amazing even on this one. And by the way, I have done few videos on Cloud 3 Opus, which you can check out on the channel. Now, if you look at the GSM 8K benchmark, which is General Sentiment Analysis, and that measures models' performance in analyzing and understanding sentiment across diverse text data. In that one, the score is amazing, 90%. Now, with 90% score, Grok 1 has been beaten by a wide margin again, and so is Mistral Large and Claude 2. Claude 3 Sonnet and Claude 3 Opus has performed very well, whereas Gemini Pro 1.5 and GPT-4 are also surging ahead. So, sentiment analysis, I think Grok 1.5 needs to work more. As far as human eval or human evaluation is concerned, that benchmark involves human assessors to evaluate the performance of AI models, providing qualitative insights and judgments on various tasks. In that one, again, Grok 1.5 has performed very well, whereas Mistral Large has really trailing very far behind, and Claude 2 is not that their Claude 3 Sonnet has been beaten, and it seems Gemini Pro 1.5 has been beaten too. Even it has beaten GPT-4 by a wide margin, because like GPT-4 is just at 67% for GPT-4. That's a very big thing. But Claude 3 Opus has performed really well there. So not only this benchmarking is a validation for Grok 1.5, in my humble opinion, it is also validation of Claude 3 Opus. Now, if you check out the benchmarking and the data for the long context understanding, then it is also amazing. This is a new feature in Grok 1.5. If you look at this one, and it's a capability to process long context up to 128K tokens within its context window. And of course, this gives it more memory capacity, up to 16 times the previous context length. Also, the model can handle longer and more complex prompts while still maintaining its instruction following capabilities as its context window expands. Now, they have done some validation on needle in the haystack evaluation, and there Grok 1.5 demonstrated powerful retrieval capabilities for embedded text within the context of up to 128K tokens in length, achieving perfect retrieval result. How good is that? Now let's have a quick look at some of the infrastructure behind Grok 1.5. Cutting edge LLM research that runs on massive GPU clusters demand robust and flexible infrastructure. Grok 1.5 is built on a custom distributed training framework based on JAX, Rust, and Kubernetes. This training stack enables their team to prototype ideas and train new architectures at scale with minimal effort. A major challenge of training LLMs on large compute clusters is maximizing reliability and uptime of the training job. Their custom training orchestrator ensures that the problematic nodes are automatically detected and ejected from the training job. They have also optimized checkpointing, data loading, and training job restart to minimize downtime in the event of a failure. This is amazing. So it seems that they are heavily using Kubernetes clusters in order to make sure that everything goes smoothly and it is self-healing. So I think that Kubernetes is still well and alive, and those skills are not obsolete. That is a very, very good news. As I mentioned before, Grok 1.5 will soon be available to the early testers and to their existing customers. And then as soon as I get my hands on it, and if I get the access to some hardware, I would really love to make a local video. And if you want to sponsor, please get in touch. If you're from XAI, then more than welcome. One quick thing about the benchmarks which I showed you, the GPT-4 scores are taken from the March 2023 release, by the way. And for math and GSM 8K, they have presented match at 1 results. And for the human eval, they have reported pass at 1 benchmark scores. But really awesome news. I mean, I'm pretty excited to share this. I will drop the link to this press release in video's description. Let me know your thoughts. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.